All right, this next pick is going to be an American lock, 5200 shares, so it's stainless steel, pretty heavy lock. You can see by this square key that this is not a bump resistant one, so it's a green belt. The bump resistance is yellow. All right, so we'll start picking it. Okay, applying some moderate tension. We'll start with number one. One's binding. Good click on one. Go to two. I don't think there's a click on that. Going three. No. Four. I think I'm getting nothing but a warden here, so here we go. Now one. There's two. Good click on two. Three. Click on three. On four. Okay, no click on four. Very felt binding. Five. We'll go back to it. Okay, got a click, and now I'm into the fall set. So that's a good sign. So now I'm gonna just go one by one. That's one. No rotation. Two. No rotation. Three. No rotation. Four. Four's got rotation. Slowly bringing it out, letting up the tension. Come on. And that's a good pick. So there we go. We got that picked. And now let's start gutting it. Okay, so we can fit this in here. See if we can reach it. Pretty big shackle. And we can. Okay, there we go. Here's our core. Okay, oh, it's got a little bypass blocker. I've never opened this before. You can actually see the kind of goop that's on there. All right, and I got the key, so we'll use that and make sure nothing's jacked up. So let's put this back in its regular position. Okay. This up. Drop that cert clip out. Missed it. Come on. Let it fall back in. Oh, you're being difficult. Come on. You know what? Sometimes it works even better. Pushing this. Pushing it off. Let's get this to where I'm not catching. I'm not opening to the key and push that right off. Sometimes that just works so much better. Alright, so that's open. There's a follow. There's a little guy here. Alright. Question is, do I shim it? Probably safer if I did. So let's just put that up there and wait. So what about that? If you ever look at this, as you see that little rim right there, that little space will sometimes catch. And we don't want those pins to catch. There we go. Put that there for now. Oh, there comes the second pin. Alright, so here is keys go this direction. We'll just go like that. Okay. It's got colors to them. I have not taken this apart yet. So we'll put it in that direction. And classic to most American locks, it's got serrated everywhere. So all these have serrated on them, as far as I can see anyway. So that's that. So the lock came out in this direction, so we'll keep it in this direction. All right, we'll pull these out. Let's put it in this direction so we can kind of see. All right, so let's go to the first one. So the first one was a serrated. Here's a spring. Next one. The shim is getting caught up. Come on, shim. Huh, another serrated. Expecting to eventually hit some spools. Maybe on the third one. Here comes the third one. Another serrated. Interesting. I would really expect there to be some spools. There clearly is at least one. I know it's number 4 because if you watched when I picked this, the last one to be done was 4, which popped out right there, and it is a spool, which I knew from the counter rotation I needed. And I didn't feel anything for number 5, so it makes me think that 5 is another serrated. Oh, it is a spool. There's the other spool, and there's that. All right, so there's all of them. Just bring up nice and close. So as you can see, you have 3 serrated, 2 spool serrated, and then all of the key pins are serrated as well.